Hi, love with the handle. Thank you for the comment. Yes, okay. I want to clarify about this. Hermes airport purchase history. For the most part, yes, they do not care, but in my experience, they do. So I'm gonna explain in a sec. First, since you guys love this outfit so much, I had to rewear it. It's my comfy airport sweat set. Super classy. Secondly, if you watch my previous videos, you know I've scored a bag at the airport every single time I've gone. This was a new terminal and a new airport store that I have not been to yet, so I was trying to build a relationship there so that I could score bags. In my previous videos, if you've seen, or in my previous history at the airport store that I normally go to, I have built a history there with the same sales associate to the point where I text them every time before I go, these are my dates, are you working, can you hold a bag? They will hold bags for me. I have a sales history there. And as I've bought more and more, I've gotten offered better bags, and the managers have met with me. Like, it is its own little store as it would be outside of the airport, and it's separate from the other Hermes stores. So in my experience, having a sales history does help. And if you travel a lot and do go back to the same store over and over again, that's how you build a sales history, because I do go through the same store a lot. And so, like I said, I built this relationship with the store and with a specific sales associate who says that they have other clients. They have their clients. They have to get approval from the manager to give certain bags. Like the first couple of bags I got from them, and this every time I've gone through, I've gotten a bag offered every single time since the first time, since I started that sales history. I bought some other things, and I started talking about bags. And I did a whole video about it, explaining it too, if you want to go check that out. But so that sales history has now allowed me, like that first purchase has allowed me to build that relationship. And every time I go back, I buy more things, and I get offered back. And they've told me they have to ask their manager to approve me for better bags. And as time has gone on, I've been offered better bags, all the way up to quota bag adjacents. They don't have any quota bags, no Birkins and Kellys. Although people in that other video did say they've gotten offered mini Kellys at different airports, but they do offer Birkin Kelly adjacent bags like Hackados, Kelly Messenger, which I've gotten. The Constant, they have Constance to go, Kelly to go wallets. Hacks, I've seen other creators on here get a hack at the airport. So it does, in my opinion, help to build that relationship. Okay, hope that helps. Happy to answer more questions about it. Thanks, bye.